Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut application offline. So let's get started. Open the CapCut.com on your browser here. After that you can download for Windows if you have or if you use Windows version here. So you can download. I'm using internet a IDM here. And after that you can install the CapCut. So I recommend you to sign up for free to get more a feature from this CapCut. After that, you can use this CapCut application without internet connection. So you have to be wait here. So maybe you need one-time internet connection to use effect or a transition, but you can cut out your internet connection after that. So all you have to do is just go to the user first to your drive C, click on double click on user data and app data. You can refill this by open this view, click show and hidden items here. So app data will refill. Click local. Try to search CapCut folder. Click double click the user data. This one. This is the user data. So Control A and then you can show more option sorry show more option and add to archive this one. After that you make an archive. You can open this CapCut application and then try to extract this user data into CapCut folder again to make things work. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.